So there's lots of different panels available, but it's really important to pick the right module for your project. So modules come in lots of different shapes and sizes and power outputs, and what we do at SunGift is try and use our years of experience to make sure that we're picking the most appropriate module for your project. So the main types of panels we work with are the main differences of commercial and residential products. For commercial projects where you have a large roof space, we tend to work with a polycrystalline cell, which has more of a blue colour to it, and then that has the silver frame to the module. The efficiency of the module is generally secondary to the cost. So a polycrystalline module with a silver frame works very well with commercial projects. For residential projects, we normally use the monocrystalline black panels as standard. Much more aesthetically pleasing. They have a higher conversion efficiency, so you can get more energy out of a smaller area. And because of the black appearance, they blend in much nicer with roofs, especially a slate roof.